Alright guys, this is a tutorial of how to play the probability puzzle game. So, at the beginning of your game, all of these cards will be faced down. Like this. So, once they're flipped over, your guys' goal is to find the pairings between the problems and the probabilities. So, for example, this one asks, what is the probability of getting white? So, as you guys remember, it's always desired outcomes over possible outcomes. So in this case, our desired outcome is getting a white block. So we need to count how many white blocks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white blocks out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our probability that goes along with it would be 6/8. At the beginning of your turn, you are to flip over 2 cards, and once again, your goal is to find a pairing between the problem and the probability. So at the beginning, I'm just going to guess. I'm going to flip up this card, which says, what is the probability of getting white? So when I look at this, I go, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9 total blocks are white. So I need to find 8/9 in here. But obviously at the beginning I don't know, so I'm going to guess. Is it this one? Nope, that's 6/12. So that's the end of my turn, and then I return the cards to their face down position. But I'm going to remember that I'm looking for 8/9 to go with this. Next, it's your partner's turn to flip. So that your partner might start by flipping this one over. It says 8/16. So once again, I'm just going to guess, or they're going to guess, and they're going to flip over maybe this card here. And it's 8/9. Now this is helpful for the previous player because if you remember, this card represented 8/9. So that player is going to remember that 8/9 is right here and that it pairs with this. But be careful, your other players might remember that too. So because that's not a match, you flip them back over. Now it's my turn again, and nobody's gotten these 2 cards yet, so I'm going to remember that I am looking for 8/9. What is the probability of getting white? It's 8/9. I found a pairing, so now I get to keep these cards, and those points go into my hand. You and your partner will continue playing until all the cards have been matched together. What's this one? What is the probability of getting green? Well, my desired outcome is green, so I'm going to first count the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's out of a total possible outcomes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm looking for 6/12. Maybe it's here. I got it! Hip hip hooray! The last rule and the most important rule of it all is to have fun!